I mean, this is crazy. It's completely insane. You start arresting people because they eat meat. Hello. Which means all non-vegetarians in India are under threat of being arrested. And in case you're watching this program, eating meat somewhere, you should worry. Because somebody could come and arrest you. Because you've not taken their approval for eating meat. This is crazy. And it's actually happening. But what is crazier, Shaina NC, Rahul Ishwar and Vinod Bansal on one side. What is actually crazier than all of this, Tanveer Sadiq, Manisha Kayande, Saba Naqvi and Rupan Doshi. What is crazier is the fact that instead of arresting the people who went out and created violence and assaulted those whose only crime was eating meat, you actually locked up and put a case of violation of public order against 4 Kashmiri students whose only fault was that they were eating meat because somebody thought they were eating beef. And what is crazier than even that, Vinod Bansal, is that the meat was sent for forensic examination. You pick up the meat and send it to a lab. This is exactly what happened 170 days back in the case of Dadri. That you suspected that somebody is eating. Oh, don't shake your head, Vinod Bansal of the VHP. The fact is these 4 Kashmiri students were arrested and let off on bail for a surety of 6 months by a local magistrate, and their fault was that they were eating goat meat. What is happening in our country, Mr. Bansal? ये क्या विश्व हिंदू परिषद का नया राज चल रहा है इनडायरेक्टली आजकल भारत में कि जो वहां पे कोई मांस खाए तो उसको अरेस्ट कर दे? ये किसका कल्चर है? किसका कल्चर है, मिस्टर बंसल?
अर्णव जी, मैं आपको सबसे पहले
Whose culture is this, Mr. Bansal?
अगर आपकी बात पूरी हो जाए तो मुझे बता देना, मैं बोलना शुरू करूंगा।
जी नो, प्लीज कंटिन्यू। मैं आपको इंटरप्ट तो नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं आपसे। जी बिल्कुल,
आप पूछ लीजिए, एक बार पूछ लीजिए,
सारे
सवालों का जवाब दूंगा। मेरा एक निवेदन यह है कि सबसे पहले तो आपने जो प्रोग्राम किया कि भाई ये कश्मीरी यूथ थे, यही डिविजिबल लाइन है? नहीं, कोई डिविजिबल लाइन है? स्वयं कंट्री को मैं कह रहा हूं कि कश्मीरी यूथ है। मैं कह रहा हूं कि कश्मीरी यूथ है। मैं कहता हूं कश्मीरी यूथ है, बंगाली यूथ है, कोई भी होता है, मगर कश्मीरी मतलब इससे क्या फर्क पड़ना है? नहीं, इससे क्या मतलब है? मगर मुझे बताइए। नहीं, आप गलत कह रहे हैं इस बात को। देखिए, नहीं, कोई गलत नहीं कह रहा। मैं कह रहा हूं, मैं फिर से कहूंगा, आप गलत कह रहे हैं, मैं फिर से कहूंगा, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि 4 कश्मीरी यूथ मटन खा रहे थे और आपने 4 कश्मीरी नौजवानों को आपने अरेस्ट कर दिया कि आप मटन क्यों खा रहे हो? आप मुझे भारत के संविधान की एक भी धारा आप आज हमें न्यूज आवर में दिखा दे बंसल जी, जहां में लिखा गया हो कि जो मीट खाए उनको अरेस्ट किया जाना चाहिए। आप मुझे दिखा दे तो डिबेट ही खत्म हो जाती है ना। ये कैसी अब्सर्डिटी, क्या चल रहा है ये? अरे भैया सुनोगे तो? नहीं, सुन तो रहा हूं, मगर ये कश्मीर के ही नहीं, ये कुपवाड़ा के थे। मैं ये बात कह रहा हूं, चलिए मैं ये कह रहा हूं, कुपवाड़ा के थे, कश्मीर के थे, मेरे तमिलनाडु के थे, कर्नाटक के थे। इस कंट्री को डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करिए अर्णव जी। नंबर 1 मैं नहीं कर रहा, आप कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं सर, मैं नहीं, आप डिवाइड करते हैं, मैं नहीं करता सर। नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, हम नहीं करते, हम जोड़ने में विश्वास करते हैं। नहीं, आप जोड़ते नहीं है, हम तोड़ने। आपको नजर आता है, अलग बात है। मैं आपकी दृष्टि को दोष नहीं दे रहा। मैं चलिए, मेरी दृष्टि के बारे में आप चिंता न करें, आप अपनी बात रखें। बिल्कुल, मैं भी नहीं। मेरी बात सुनिए, मैं ये कह रहा हूं आपको कि यूनिवर्सिटी के हॉस्टल के अंदर क्या मीट पकाना अलाउड है? आप एक बड़े चैनल पे हैं और आप बड़े सीनियर मोस्ट जर्नलिस्ट हैं इस देश के। क्या किसी हॉस्टल के कमरे के अंदर मीट बनाना अलाउड है, पर्टिकुलरली मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर? क्या आपने ये इंक्वायर किया है क्या? एक बात। और एक बात मुझे बताइए, मैं उल्टा सवाल दूसरी तरफ से आ रहा है। नहीं, आप मेरी, अच्छा, आपकी बात तो आपने पूरी रख दी सारे डिबेट में, और 5 लोग हैं, उन्होंने अब तक कुछ नहीं कहा। मगर मैं आपको पूछता हूं कि 500 लोग हाँ हिंसा करने के लिए तैयार, वहां पे जाके 1 मिनट, वहां पे जाके इन 4 कश्मीरी जो युवक है जो मीट खा रहे हैं उनके पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, हिंसा करने को तैयार है, हिंसा करने को तैयार है। मैं कहता हूं, जब वो मीट खा रहे थे तो बाहर क्यों नहीं आए? पुलिस से बुला रही थी। भाई क्या हो रहा है इधर? मीट खा रहे थे तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? मीट खा रहे थे तो हॉस्टल से बाहर निकाले, अरेस्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं? अगर मीट खा रहे थे तो हॉस्टल से सस्पेंड कीजिए, अरेस्ट कैसे कर रहे हैं? आपके ही चैनल पर अभी मंत्री ने बयान दिया है, फिर भी आप कह रहे हो अरेस्ट किया। भाई उनको दे हैव बीन लेट आउट ऑन बेल। आप बिल्कुल गलत न्यूज स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं अर्णव जी। वेल दे
आप देखिए
मिस्टर बंसल यू टेल मी व्हाट इज रॉन्ग इफ पीपल आर ईटिंग मीट? ये क्या इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आप बताइए मुझे कि अरेस्ट हो जाए।
भाई मीट खाने में हमें दिक्कत थोड़ी है, हमें दिक्कत ये है कि बीफ नहीं खा सकते।
और अरे आपको क्या पता बीफ कैसे खा रहे हैं? ये क्या हो रहा है? आपको कैसे पता?
आपको कैसे पता को मटन खा रहे थे?
500 लोग वहां पे,
आपको कैसे पता मटन खा रहे थे?
तो ये क्या हो रहा है देश में? और कोई इश्यूज नहीं है आपके पास? मीट खा रहे हैं, मटन खा रहे हैं, मछली खा रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है?
देखिए, अरे आप कर रहे हैं, मैं कर रहा हूं।
मैं पूछ रहा हूं आपको ये क्या है?
चैनल पे डिबेट आप करवा रहे हैं।
मैं पूछ रहा हूं आपको कि ये चार युवक डिनर खा रहे हैं 8 बजे अपने हॉस्टल रूम 201 202 में, और वहां पे बाहर लोग हैं, वो कहते हैं मीट बना रहे हैं, उनको अटैक कीजिए जी। नहीं अटैक नहीं, एक खाना मीट खाना राजस्थान में, नहीं बंसल जी, मीट खाना राजस्थान में इलीगल है? बताइए मुझे। वहां पे तो बहुत फेमस है लाल मांस। नहीं लाल मांस का नाम सुना होगा, बहुत फेमस है। तो मीट खाना क्या इलीगल है?
के अंदर मीट नहीं खाई जाती जी।
ठीक है, तो आप पुलिस के पास ले जाएंगे, लोगों के पास
नहीं बनाई जाती।
अच्छा, आई टेक द डिबेट ऑन द अदर साइड। ऑन द अदर साइड तनवीर सादिक इज सेइंग समथिंग। तनवीर सादिक कुछ कह रहे हैं आपको? तनवीर सादिक प्लीज गो अहेड। या तनवीर सादिक।
बंसल जी, वो वीएचपी का इशू नहीं है। इफ दैट वाज अ यूनिवर्सिटी इशू, यू शुड हैव लेट द यूनिवर्सिटी डील विद इट, नॉट दैट 500 people come and get into the university and lynch those guys. आप लोगों ने वो मीट शॉप जला दी। You made sure that these guys are arrested.
अरे कम से कम एक नेशनल चैनल पर भाषा तो ठीक करिए। जला दिए क्या मतलब इसमें? आप मुझे बताइए कि
जला दिया मीट शॉप, आपको पता नहीं है? You burnt a meat shop there. And you made sure that he doesn't sell a meat anymore.
No.
Just because of
नहीं, हमने कोई ऐसा नहीं किया। बिल्कुल हम किसी भी तरह की हिंसा में विश्वास नहीं करते।
Okay, what kind of nationalism is this? That you straight away enter into a university and do whatever you want?
नहीं, हम नहीं घुसे। आपने कैसे पता लगा हम घुसे हैं? आप कैसे कह रहे हो हम घुसे हैं? विश्व हिंदू परिषद का कौन कार्यकर्ता अंदर घुसा कमरे के अंदर?
बजरंग दल और वीएचपी के लोग तो धमकियां दे रहे थे टीवी पे।
कौन सा व्यक्ति? एक नाम बताइए जरा।
चाहे वही करेंगे आप
नहीं, ऐसे कैसे कह रहे हो
टीवी पे?
अरे भाई आप सरेआम हॉस्टल के रूल्स को वायलेट करते हुए, यूनिवर्सिटी के रूल्स को वायलेट करते हुए और चैलेंज देकर के कहते हो ना, मैं तो ये क्या मतलब इसका? लेकिन हमने किसी तरह का लॉ को हाथ में नहीं लिया बिल्कुल भी।
एंड यू स्केयर्ड देम एंड यू हैव द ऑडेसिटी टू कम ऑन द नेशनल चैलेंज।
मेरे पास रिपोर्ट है, मैं पढ़ रहा हूं। बंसल जी, मिस्टर बंसल मैं रिपोर्ट पढ़ रहा हूं, आप जरा सुन ले। आप पूछ रहे थे These 4 students were attacked by a mob on Tuesday. उनको अटैक किया गया मंगलवार को। After rumors, बात ही नहीं सुन रहे आप, क्या इतने impatient हो रहे? After rumors swirled of their cooking and eating beef, यानी कि अफवाह किसी ने फैलाई कि ये बीफ खा रहे हैं, ठीक है? और उसके बाद एंग्री मेंबर्स ऑफ राइट विंग ग्रुप्स, ये जो राइट विंग ग्रुप है आपके जैसे जितने ग्रुप्स हैं, वो गंगरा टाउन चित्तौड़गढ़ के बाहर वो घुस गए और वहां पे अजमेर उदयपुर हाईवे को बंद किया। फिर क्राउड ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड रेजिडेंट्स, सुन लीजिए ना बंसल जी, जो सच्चाई है आप सुन तो लीजिए। क्राउड ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड रेजिडेंट्स सेट फायर टू अ मीट शॉप। सच कह रहे हैं तनवीर सादिक, मीट दुकान को जला दिया। सुनिए,
सफेद झूठ बोल रहे हैं।
अरे आप सफेद झूठ काली झूठ, मैं तो न्यूज रिपोर्ट से पढ़ रहा हूं, आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? और फिर उन्होंने बोला बंद कराइए।
सर न्यूज रिपोर्ट आप टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया की पढ़ रहे हैं?
हाँ, नहीं मेरी बात सुनिए, मुझे बात सुनिए। अरे भाई आप चित्तौड़गढ़ के जो एसपी हैं, उन्होंने इंडियन एक्सप्रेस को कहा, मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाता हूं। आप टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया कह रहे हैं, मैं इंडियन एक्सप्रेस भी पढ़ रहा हूं। इट वॉज अ प्रिवेंटिव अरेस्ट, वी हैड टू अरेस्ट देम बिकॉज दे वर रेजिस्टिंग इंटेरोगेशन। देयर इज नो केस अगेंस्ट देम रिगार्डिंग द मीट एज प्राइमा फेसी द मीट वॉज नॉट बीफ, इट वॉज नॉट इवन एनी अदर प्रोहिबिटेड मीट। वी आर फेयरली सर्टन अबाउट दैट, बट सिंस वी आर नॉट एक्सपर्ट्स वी हैव सेंट इट फॉर फोरेंसिक टेस्टिंग। माफी मांगी, अरेस्ट किया गया स्टूडेंट्स को, अरेस्ट किया गया। ये अरेस्ट हो रहा है इस देश में, लोग मीट खा रहे हैं, अरेस्ट हो रहा है। ये आपको लगता है छोटी इशू है? ये लगता है छोटी इशू है? सबा नकवी राइट नाउ इनटू द डिबेट एंड राहुल ईश्वर। नहीं, लोग आजकल अरेस्ट हो रहे हैं मीट खाने के लिए। ये क्या हो रहा है?
बंसल जी,
यस सबा,
मिस्टर बंसल,
या
बंसल जी, मैं बोल दूं? बंसल जी, महिला के थोड़े शब्द सुन लीजिए चुपचाप से। मैं दो तीन चीज आपसे कह दूं शांति से। यू स्टार्टेड द प्रोग्राम बाय सेइंग कश्मीरी क्यों कहते हैं आप डिवाइड कर रहे हैं। आप लोग ये सब काम इसीलिए करते हैं क्योंकि आपको कश्मीरी दिखता है, मुसलमान दिखता है, आप अक्यूज करते हैं, लोगों को प्रोफाइल करते हैं और कहते हैं कि बीफ खा रहे हैं। इनको पकड़ते हैं, इसीलिए लिंचिंग होती है, इसीलिए राइटिंग होती है, इसीलिए लोगों की प्रोफाइलिंग हो रही है। और बंसल जी मुझे खत्म करने दीजिए बात, रिस्क मैं खत्म कर दूं, कैन आई फिनिश? नहीं, बात तो खत्म करने दीजिए, लेट मी फिनिश। आज ही बंसल जी, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू आर रनिंग द कंट्री और द भारतीय जनता पार्टी इज। Today, the Prime Minister of India has spoken about diversity and peace. Either he cannot control people like you. The cadre cannot be controlled. You are just there lynching, profiling, spreading hate, and you have the gall to say that these boys, what do students do? Let us presume, of course these boys have got non-vegetarian things into hostels. But students of all religions, of all kinds, can get some banned food in, they can get alcohol in, they can intermingle between the sexes. And are you going to have lynch mobs watching everything? So, I mean, it's scary.
Rahul Ishwar opening the debate. Manisha Kayande, Rahul Ishwar.
You are telling
there are only 2 points. There are only 2 points in this.
Yes, one second. What's a Rahul Ishwar? First China NC. Rahul, first China NC.
With the freedom of
China NC. First China NC.
Yes, we all agree. We all agree with the freedom of food. We concede that we have a right to choose our own food. Sabanagvi, please listen. We all agree with our right to choose our food. But let me quote Article 48, where the father of Indian
I'm talking about something else.
Mr. Ambedkar has categorically said, the Article 48 supports. Please let me put forward my argument. Article 48 backs for cow protection and against cow slaughter. I concede that we should have a Gandhian approach. I am proud to, born in a family where we have, cow protection.
Where is cow coming into it?
I would always say, Bharat Mata
Where
first,
is cow
then
coming
only
into
the
it?
mother cow. So having said that,
Where
there is
is
a cultural
cow?
sensitivity.
Where is cow coming
Please
into
listen,
it?
ma'am. There is
Why
an
are you
issue
talking
of cultural
rubbish?
sensitivity.
Why are you talking
There
rubbish?
was a rumor.
There was no cow.
an issue.
All right, listen,
There was an
Rahul.
issue of cultural sensitivity.
Rahul, listen to the bigger point. Rahul, listen. Rahul, don't throw the rule book at me. Don't throw the rule book at me. Do not do that, and I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why you should not throw the rule book at me. Sabha, 1 minute, please. Let me just explain to Rahul. I will quote you. You quote me the law. I'll quote you every single section of the Criminal Procedure Code. I will quote to you the Rajasthan Bovine Animal Prohibition of Slaughter and Regulation of Temporary Migration or Export Act of 1995, which says about the consumption of beef and bovine animals, and tell me where does it say that the consumption of goat meat is prohibited? You want to prohibit the consumption of goat meat because you think it is your right to do so.
Nobody.
For 1 minute, point number one. 170 days back, Dadri happened. I haven't forgotten Dadri. And you should not either, Rahul. 170 days after दादरी बंसल जी, शांत होके आप बिल्कुल क्रोधित हुए बिना मेरी बात को जरा आप बिल्कुल गुस्सा बिना हुए आप सुनिए मेरी बात को. 170 days after Dadri, China NC, what does it say about the times that we are living in, that an individual can be detained by the police for 26 hours on the mere suspicion that he is eating a certain kind of meat? 170 days after Dadri, China NC, the very smell of meat. Some people say we smell meat. We smell beef. Arrest them. Walk around saying what is the smell of food being cooked in people's houses. So arrest them. मुझे लगता है सूंघ के कि ये beef है. जाके arrest कीजिए. ये क्या है? No, China, this is insane. This is insane.
China,
no, we are talking of a rationale. Why do people have to hide in their hostel rooms?
Which was filed.
Young people have to hide in their hostel rooms. Young people have to hide in their hostel rooms in fear that a seething mob, that a seething and violent mob is ready to take the law into their own hands about what they are having for dinner.
I just want to quote 2 points. One, what Saqib Ashraf said, where he said that somebody complained to the warden. The next day, the police took us for questioning and treated us well. The university also supported us. We are not scared now. This is the statement coming from him. Then you have one more statement which comes from Shaukat Ali, where he says it is difficult to be a non-vegetarian on a vegetarian campus. But I don't want to get into all of this now. because we are totally satisfied.
Why were they?
I am here purely to study.
Okay, Tanvir.
Now, if this is the kind of reaction you have got from
one second.
Shaukat Ali,
one second. Just one second.
I think that
just a question. Rupan Doshi, Citizen Voice tonight is a counter for you. Rupan Doshi.
If you have 900 students who come from Jammu and Kashmir, obviously they're welcome there. They are studying there, and the priority is to ensure if the situation gets out of control and the police has to investigate only because there is a mob reaction.
I don't believe you're saying that. China, listen.
That the police China, university cooperated.
I think you can hear me, but you're pretending not to, right? China, one second.
And then you're giving the bomb. I think it just doesn't make sense. You're contradicting yourself. You're saying that you created a situation and you're trying to solve it yourself. Was that 500 mob was your people only trying to prevent them from eating? 4 people were no threat. 4 people were no threat to anybody at all. China, I am a pure vegetarian, but I support these guys for their right to eat what they want. You are contradicting yourself.
Absolutely.
4 people were threatening the law and order situation.
Which is known to one and all.
Come on, man. This is a joke. It's a joke which is not funny anymore.
If this is a vegetarian
how can 4 people threaten anybody?
We can be debating that, but that is another issue.
Please get your facts together.
That is another issue.
Are you quoting the law
this university
or are you talking about social
is
standards?
A vegetarian campus.
If you are quoting the law, then it's a different debate altogether.
Whether we agree with it or not is another area.
It's not about a vegetarian campus.
It's not about that at all.
I am only quoting
there is a law of the land. There is a law of the land. I am a vegetarian. Don't tell me what campus is vegetarian. There is a law of the land which allows me to choose what I want to eat. I am a pure vegetarian, I am a Jain, but I still defend the right to eat what they want to eat. Because that's their fundamental right. You're talking about 4 people affecting the law and order situation. Come on, man, that's a joke.
Nobody is taking away your fundamental
there are many other problems that you need to worry about.
If at all reading what the students
you're taking this very lightly.
Said.
Please defend citizens' rights first.
Who is taking what lightly?
Then worry about your political party.
Every question on the state government, and if at all the state government has cooperated, the police have cooperated.
Why were the students arrested?
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 Do you need police on the campus?
We
you don't need police on the campus, man.
Beef versus non-beef.
Why was the police coming on the campus? China, if police were to come to your house for a small thing, you'd be mortally scared.
No, China and
you'd be mortally scared if the police comes to your house.
China.
There's no need for police.
Okay, here's a question. China and C. Let's create a situation here today. Okay, one second. China and C is a hypothetical situation. I'm asking you. It's not a personal case, so don't jump.
China, do you think students could have been afraid? China, does it occur to you they could be afraid?
No, one second. China,
does it occur to you that these were young boys from Kashmir who are sitting in a different state and they could be afraid?
No, why were the
China, you and me will also be afraid.
They themselves have said that the university has cooperated. They are not afraid. They have themselves said that the police have only asked them questions which they are not afraid of. They have said there's no controversy and they have
China, here's a question. China, please take a question. One second. Take a question now. Take a question now. I've heard this.
Yes.
I want to know.
Supposing you were arrested.
Yeah. 1 second.
I mean, really?
Sabah, here's a question. China, suppose there's somebody is cooking in your house.
China, do you have any idea?
Suppose somebody is cooking in your house.
When they're afraid?
Suppose somebody is cooking in your house and somebody goes by and he says, it smells like beef. And he goes to the police and he says, I think in China NC's house, they are cooking beef. And you go and say, well, I don't think it's beef. I'm not cooking beef. But the police say that China NC, somebody who is potentially violent, 1 minute please, who could take the law into their own hands, right, has come and told me that you're cooking beef. You say, I'm not cooking beef. They'll say, you know what, China NC, we'll have to immediately arrest you under section 151 of the Criminal Procedure Code. And please hand over the utensils in your kitchen. No, you understand the absurdity of it. We will take everything in your kitchen and send it for forensic examination. And we will keep you there arrested for 26 hours. And you'll say, but what have I done? The police will tell you, China, that we need to arrest you because we need to keep the security of the state. You are a threat to the security of the state. And then you will say, but how am I a security to the state? I'm not cooking beef. They'll say, it does not matter, we'll wait till the forensic report comes, till then you remain in lockup. Tell me, Shaina, would you then say that that you are a threat to public tranquility because somebody thinks that out of the smell that is wafting out of your kitchen, it sounds like beef? What if every Indian were to walk outside the kitchen of every other Indian looking for the smell? Then we should have a forensic testing of smells. So we should then have some forensic smell testing thing. No, Shaina, I'm very serious. I'm very serious, Tanveer. Maybe this is the option for us tonight. We should have a forensic testing of smells. So people use meat masala in their homes. They should not use meat masala because the moment you use any meat masala,
there was a mob that gathered outside.
Right, exactly. You think in India it is difficult to get mobs? We can get 20 people. Any 20 people will stand outside your house and say, no, but China NC is cooking beef. Please arrest her.
If at all the police were maintaining law and order.
Pardon? Yes, the police will say.
And the students
the police will then say. The police will then say.
No, but the police that there was no wrongdoing or wrong action towards them by the university or the police.
Hello, Shaina, you want to argue this with me? Then I'll argue this with you. Okay, so Shaina NC has been arrested. What has Shaina NC done? Somebody thinks that the food being cooked in her house is beef. Shaina NC says, but this is unfair. The police tells you, Shaina NC, I think you are likely to commit a breach of the peace and disturb the public tranquility of a nation called India. You'll say, but what is my fault? Somebody will say, but I was walking outside Shaina NC's house, it sounds like beef. This is paranoia of the extreme. Do you realize what's happening in our country? Rahul Ishwari, you don't understand what's happening in. What if I go outside your house and say, I think you're cooking beef?
Arnab,
you understand what's happening?
I belong to Kerala.
Yeah. No. 1 second. One second.
I belong
what
to
if I
Kerala
take you into preventive arrest? I take you into preventive arrest.
People eat beef.
I suspect you.
I understand the sentiments.
No.
I understand the sentiments. I understand the outrage. But we have to find some kind of a middle ground in this. And that middle ground is a Gandhian middle ground. Where Gandhiji said cow protection is as much as sacred
please.
as for us. Cow protection is as much as
what's one Manisha Kainde of Shiv Sena? Shiv Sena's Manisha Kainde.
Ground
Shiv Sena.
For cow protection,
Shiv Sena is coming into the debate.
For against cow slaughter, we have to find some kind of a middle ground here.
There is a statement from the students that they have not been harassed by the university people. University
doesn't matter. That is Shaina NC's argument.
No. Even I have got the same information. Please let me speak. For 20-30 minutes I've been keeping quiet.
That means nothing.
And no, that doesn't. That means I'm patiently listening, and others are supposed to listen to me. Let me tell you that if it was a vegetarian hostel, while taking admission, they very well knew it, that this hostel, this premises does not allow meat eating.
Right.
Okay. And this labeling of students, Dalit student, Kashmiri student, this student, that student, what is happening? I see a bigger design.
Why are you pointing at me when you're saying that?
I'm talking.
Why are you pointing at me when I'm saying that?
I'm pointing to the media.
I'd say Tanveer Sadiq of the Shiv Sena.
I'm pointing to the media.
You're pointing to the media. Shoot the message. I'm so sorry you're saying
that. That was made by Shaukat Ali.
Creating a ruckus.
Okay, Tanveer Sadiq.
Creating a ruckus on the university.
Tanveer Sadiq.
This is absolutely wrong. This is trying to create a ruckus on the university. Poisoning the mind.
What are you making up
Some students are associated with some
I'll tell you honestly, I have two emotions
They are trying
one
to completely
of disgust and one of pride.
There is poisoning of the minds of the students. What is happening on the campuses?
Please.
What is happening on the campus?
I have a question. Once Tanveer is countering you,
Tanveer. I have two emotions in my heart.
Yeah, go on, Tanveer.
Okay, I have two emotions.
Tanveer to the Shiv Sena.
One of disgust and one of pride. Because we have reached a stage where meat has more rights than men. I mean, look at Dadri incident.
This issue is completely being blown out of proportion.
And then the second point,
beef,
people like Anupam Kher are the one who are the validating authority, certifying authority for my nationalism.
There is a huge noise about it.
Very important. Pride,
and the main issues are sidelined.
Listen.
Because there are thousands of
He is not listening to anyone. Why should I listen to him?
Students across India who study in Kashmir. But have you heard them being subject to any humiliation? That's called resilience. We don't talk like Shiv Sena that we are Maharashtrians, so only employ Maharashtrians. You should learn from Kashmiris what resilience is. Not like you arrest on mere suspicion. You arrest
in
four
fact,
people
our
and
party
make an argument that they are safe, they are fine because they came on TV.
Kashmiris
Can you
wherever they are.
realize they could be scared? Do you realize
our party has supported the Kashmiris?
Manisha,
something different.
The argument is
different.
Don't give us this. And that also comes from a
university. Whether it is the JNU, whether it is Jadavpur, whether it is Marwar University.
What has this got to do with JNU?
It is poisoning.
What has it got to do with JNU?
Poisoning the mind.
No, what does this have to do with JNU?
If I look at you, you'll say why you're looking at me. So
no, I'm saying what does this have to do with JNU?
Yes, because
you tell me today, Manisha Kaide, this is enough. Please tell me.
It is
Mewar University? Is Mewar in Rajasthan?
Manisha,
and therefore is Mewar part of a state which is part of a secular democracy? Sorry, Manisha.
I just want to say,
Manisha,
if one point
is disallowed in that university, they shouldn't have brought it.
Manisha, I have a
question. If I am a vegetarian, I don't bring non-veg food. Suppose if I am a vegetarian, my house is a vegetarian. I don't allow non-veg food. But if I want to eat, I can go and eat. But if the university rules say that you are not allowed non-vegetarian food,
they
have to abide by
the argument is simple. Rahul Ishwar, 1 minute. This argument is being put tonight that Mewar University is a vegetarian campus. I understood your point.
Okay, you have somebody who complains.
Can I Shaina, Manisha, Shaina, and Rahul Ishwar? Are Bebika. Okay, Manisha, Shaina and Shaina, I request you to hear me for a minute. Both of you are building this argument that Mewar University is a vegetarian campus.
Just one thing.
Now, Sabha, 1 minute. Okay, Sabha, 1 minute. Mewar University is a vegetarian campus. Very good. But Mewar University is in the state of Rajasthan. And it is legal in Rajasthan to have mutton, chicken, buffalo and every other meat but beef. Then what explains police action against the students? There should be a university level probe. There should be a university level probe. There cannot be the arrest of the students. The students cannot be arrested.
Only intervened to diffuse the situation. When there was a mob assembled outside, should the police have just stayed silent and said, sort it out amongst yourselves?
So this country will be run by mobs, Shaina?
Or should it have been that no, we will not ensure that you are safe where your prime issue is to educate yourself.
You kept them in the jail for 24 hours. So don't
do you know the sequel of events? Do you know the sequel of events? The sequel of events is exactly what I said. Where you had somebody who filed a complaint, you had a mob which was assembled, the police came in to diffuse the situation.
Not the police action.
Why don't you take cognizance of the student statement? If you don't care about what anybody else is saying, the students themselves say, the police did not have it. The university cooperated with them. And the fact of the matter is that they have come to that institute to study.
They are studying, there are students there.
You know, I think you have
chosen.
Of course. And their statement is much more important than yours. So you either take cognizance of what Shaukat Ali said or go reread the facts of the case the way the transcript.
Shaina, I know you can hear me. I know you can hear me. Shaina, I think we have reduced this country. We are trying to reduce this country to a vegetarian dictatorship. This country is not a vegetarian dictatorship. Please, Shaina, please don't show this intolerance on the news. Don't show this intolerance on the news, Shaina. Rahul Ishwar, please, will you hear me? See, Shaina, Rahul Ishwar, you're being so intolerant.
Cleverly,
Rahul Ishwar, 170 days and allow me to speak. I didn't want to speak over you, but if you try to stop me, I will. 170 days after Dadri, what does it say about the society that we have become? where young people have to hide in hostel rooms because they think they are going to be beaten up because a mob comes outside thinking that they are eating beef. And Shaina NC says there was a mob. Well, Shaina, are we a country run by the rule of law, or are we a country that is run by right-wing mobs? So please understand that. Secondly, this comes on the back of Dadri, where we saw a man die on the suspicion that he was consuming cow meat for dinner. Why did the state law and order officials not first determine what meat the boys were cooking before taking them into preventive arrest? Why were they arrested before ascertaining what meat they were cooking? And by the way, why did the law and order officials not take any action against the 500 members of the mob who were sloganeering and indulging in violence? You let off the mob, you arrest the students, and then you'd say that we are virtually like a vegetarian dictatorship. Show me one part of the rule book in India, show me one part of the constitution which says you have to be a vegetarian to be a true Indian. You have to be a vegetarian to be a true Indian.
Not necessarily.
This is ridiculous.
Not necessary to muscle in.
Dadri was shameful.
Rahul
You cannot overlook the ground realities and cultural sensitivities of the nation. You cannot overlook the cultural sensitivities of a nation. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of
Sabba's
What are you talking about? Are you only going to? No, can I reply to him?
Concede the right to freedom of food, but requesting cultural. Please let me complete, ma'am. I agree with your outrage. But I'm only humbly submitting that there can be a middle ground.
You are completely ignorant. You don't even know that most Indians are non-vegetarian.
But let us have a cultural sensitivity.
I strongly object to this as if this is only for Muslims and minorities. Rahul Ishwaran, you don't even have data. Look at your census figures. Look at normal data. You don't even have an idea that most Indians are non-vegetarian.
Okay, quick.
You are ignorant. You are ignorant idiots, all of you. First of all, Rahul, I'm sorry, you're talking. What are you talking about?
Look at what Baba Saheb Ambedkar has written.
I want to ask Rupen a question.
Please don't tell me the constitution.
Okay, what's it? Just a minute.
Rupen.
It's a very
you are a vegetarian at home, okay?
Yes.
Culturally, religiously, you are a vegetarian at home.
Yes.
Okay? Suppose if I get meat into your house, I want to eat it in your house. You will say, you will quote the state rule or your own home. What does your
I will with folded hands tell you, ma'am, I'm a vegetarian. Please don't bring non-veg food in my house. Thank you very much.
And suppose if
I'm not going to whack you. I'm not going to whack you. I'm not going to call the cops.
Suppose if I still insist to eat.
You are in my house.
Suppose if I still insist to eat. Suppose I'm breaking the rules in your house.
You're not breaking the rules of my house.
The same thing. The students.
Dadagiri will not work in my house. No?
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah.
Dadagiri will not work in my house, no?
Dadagiri will not work in the hostel.
Dadagiri should not work. State Dadagiri should not work.
Dadagiri will not work in the hostel as well.
Four students threatened by police and the state machinery behind it. 500 people. It's a joke, man.
The students themselves.
If somebody want to come, let one-to-one. Let them come one-to-one.
Mr. Bansal, last word. Mr. Bansal. Okay, you made your point.
I think everybody's got it all wrong. You cannot do Dadagiri. You need to carry the people with you. You need to be peaceful. We are a peace-loving country. If you are vegetarian,
Mr. Bansal,
carry the people with you. I will willingly come with you.
Bansal ji,
मेरी बात सुनिए, मुझे बताइए अर्णव जी, अगर यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर जो वेजिटेरियन यूनिवर्सिटी है उसको नॉनवेज बनाने में कोई लगा हुआ है तो उसके खिलाफ आप नहीं बोलेंगे, मुझे बताया। राशिद जो एमएलए है जम्मू कश्मीर का, कश्मीर घाटी का ही है, वो खुलेआम कहता है कि मैं बीफ पकाऊंगा, बीफ पार्टी करूंगा, उसमें किसी को कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं होता। अब आप बताइए मुझे, आगरा में एक दलित युवक की हत्या हो जाती है क्योंकि वो गौरक्षा करता है, कोई नहीं बोलता। आखिरकार कर्नाटक में
आप तो काट डालेंगे, आपका एमएलए तो मार रहा है घोड़े को, पब्लिक में मार रहा है। सब बोलने में क्या है, आपको क्या दिक्कत है बोलने में? आदमी बोल तो कुछ भी सकता है, झगड़ा तो नहीं कर रहा ना, आप लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, मार रहे सब लोगों को,
नहीं कोई झगड़ा नहीं। मुझे बताइए, जब लड़के खुद कह रहे हैं इस बात को कि हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई, तो आपको क्या दिक्कत हो रही है? और मुझे बताइए, जब राजस्थान के लोग इस घटना को नहीं जानते, आखिरकार टाइम्स नाउ इस बात पर डिबेट क्यों कर रहा है? Why are you dividing the nation between the religion? Why are you dividing the nation between the regions? नहीं, मुझे बताइए कि आखिरकार देश को बांटने में क्यों साजिश रच रहे हो? आप कम से कम एक तरफा क्यों चल रहे हैं? अब मैं
डिफेंड कर रहे हैं। बंसल जी, आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए।
कानून को पालन करना चाहिए। कानून का पालन नहीं करने वाले लोगों के साथ खड़े हुए हैं। आप देखिए कश्मीरी युवकों ने।
ओके, तनवीर सादिक कुछ कह रहे हैं बंसल जी आपको। तनवीर सादिक कुछ कह रहे हैं। तनवीर सादिक कुछ कह रहे हैं। बिफोर आई रैप अप, आई ऑल्सो वांट टू से टुनाइट, आई वांट टू से टुनाइट नाउ तनवीर सादिक।
अथॉरिटी नहीं देता है जो आप कह रहे हैं। आपने दादरी से अभी भी नहीं सीखा। आप लोग ने दादरी किया, आप लोगों ने
बहुत कुछ सीख लिया भैया। 45 लाख रुपए आपने दिलवा दिए, 3 मकान दिलवा दिए, उसको नौकरी दिलवा दी, और उसका जो अपराधी था उसका अपराध के लिए कुछ नहीं किया। लेकिन ऐसा एक दलित युवक की वहाँ पर आगरा में हत्या हुई, उसको आपने पैसा नहीं दिया, उसको क्या 45 लाख रुपए दिए। आखिरकार कर्नाटक में मेरे प्रशांत पुजारी की हत्या हुई, आप लोगों में से कोई बोला क्या? अभी केरला में संघ के सेवक को जिंदा मार दिया।
ये सब छोटी छोटी बातें अटके हुए हैं खाने पीने पे।
वहाँ के लोग
चला नहीं सकते। मेजोरिटी है 350 एमपी आपके पार्लियामेंट नहीं चला सकते। राज्यसभा आने अंदर आप लोगों की जवान देश आगे चलाओ।
आखिरकार देश के लिए
देश आगे चलाओ। मोदी साहब को बोल के देश आगे चलाओ। जोड़ते हैं आप सब धंधा छोड़ो, देश को आगे बढ़ाओ। हमको ये सब टाइम पास नहीं चाहिए। देश को आगे बढ़ाओ। अगर हिम्मत है ना, अगर इंडियन होना तो देश को आगे बढ़ाओ। हम आपके साथ हैं।
बंसल जी,
देश को आगे बढ़ाओ। बंसल जी, देश को अगर मर्द का बच्चा है देश को आगे बढ़ाओ।
There's no threat to them that the university cooperated. What more do you want?
Okay, 1 second. Now, Bansal ji, मेरी बात सुनो. Bansal ji, now, okay. Now, before I you made your point. Before I close, I have one question. चलिए बंसल जी, अभी प्रूव हो गया Shaina NC that it is not beef. हाँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ.
कहाँ प्रूव हुआ? किसने कहा?
अरे भाई फोरेंसिक टेस्ट हो गया, आप नहीं कहेंगे तब तक नहीं होगा।
रिपोर्ट आ गई क्या आपके पास?
अच्छा रिपोर्ट दिखा दो। अच्छा एक मिनट मेरी बात सुनिए, बंसल जी बड़े एकाग्रता से आप सिर्फ अपनी बात सुनते हैं। ये तो सच में अच्छी बात नहीं हुई। इतनी एकाग्रता से आप दूसरों की बात सुनते हैं तो बड़ी अच्छी बात होती। आप सिर्फ अपनी बात सुनते हैं। बंसल जी और शाइना एनसी जी, आप दोनों से मैं एक सवाल पूछूंगा, हाँ और ना में जवाब दे दे मुझे। आज अपने अहंकार को छोड़ के, अपने राजनीतिक अहंकार को छोड़ के आप मुझे कहें कि आज अभी प्रूव हो गया कि मीट बीफ नहीं है। विल द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ राजस्थान वसुंधरा राजे इशू एन अपॉलजी टू द 4 स्टूडेंट्स फॉर देयर एब्सर्ड एक्शंस? आई थिंक एटलीस्ट अपॉलोजाइज कीजिए। 4 स्टूडेंट को अरेस्ट कर दिया कि वो बीफ खा रहे हैं, गलती माफी मांगिए।
They were only questioned and the students themselves said that the police cooperated with them, the university supported them, and they have come here only to study. If at all the situation did not get out of hand because of the police coming in at the time and the state government ensuring that there was
okay, one second. I think everyone's speaking over each other. I don't know why I feel that we should not be living.
Address malnourishment, starvation.
You know what? Just Saba.
Shaina, why doesn't your state government address hunger, starvation, malnourishment? Why aren't the police resources put to meaningful use?
Closing in on the debate. I don't know why we
first in Haryana and then in Rajasthan.
Here only
I'm closing.
Mob was present and to diffuse the situation.
Go. Okay. Rupen, closing the debate.
Don't you state
closing the debate. Manisha.
Instead of picking up profiling and picking up students.
This issue is not of beef. It is a larger design to spoil the minds of the young students
by making them eat beef.
No, it is by creating a scene. It is showing that something very wrong is happening.
Are we living in an Orwellian era where the state is going to intrude into our personal space and the state
and the main issue?
Can I request you, Manisha Kainde, please govern, please run the country, please fight poverty and hunger, please build roads, please increase the GDP of the country, please create jobs, please get out of the whole issue. अरे भाई कौन सुनिए मेरी बात, कौन भिंडी खा रहा है, कौन चिकन खा रहा है, कौन बीफ खा रहा है, कौन घास खा रहा है, इसी पे आपको डिबेट करना है और कोई इश्यूज नहीं इस देश में। आई थैंक यू ऑल फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी। मीडिया नहीं, ये अरेस्ट हुई है, ये मीडिया ने अरेंज नहीं किया, मीडिया रिपोर्ट कर रहा है। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी ऑन डिबेट नंबर 2 ऑन द न्यूज़ आवर टुनाइट।